Hey guys, Jesse here. So today I'm going to be replacing a Galaxy Tab 3's broken screen, obviously. I ordered the replacement screen, I think it was on Amazon or eBay. I'd have to double check. I'll post that in the description. And I'm also replacing the auxiliary port or input. So what you have to do is we have to remove the bottom piece first, and go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, so the box I ordered this from gave me all these great tools in this little guy, which is pretty awesome. A bunch of little screwdrivers and these things that look like to strum the guitar, but they're actually to hold the when you take the front off from the adhesive. So I'm just gonna try and pry this, and you want to make sure to have safety goggles on because this is gonna pop out. Okay, so I didn't get through to this side. There it goes, it's popping off there. Turn this thing off. I can feel it trying to come apart from the rear. Just gonna turn it off real quick. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the battery. I have to remove the back off. It's almost there. Come on. I don't want to turn you off when you're open. Okay. I did a hard reset, so it was, see, it still functions. It was lagging on her, so I did the hard reset. I could also post a link to that. So there it goes on how to do that. It's just a sequence of steps. Okay, so there's still some adhesive over here. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna. There we go, we're in business. Hooah! All right, so remove the rear. I'm gonna unplug the battery, and I'm gonna replace the aux cord. Be very careful. You always want to be careful with the batteries. I mean, I know, you know, with Mac products, they're very soft and poisonous. You know, they're easy to puncture, so might not be able to replace this aux port, which looks to be turned out actually. Oh, there we go. You little bugger. I got her. I got one of them anyways. All right, you just gotta press firmly. And if you buy the glass, I'll post a link to the because the aux port didn't come with the with these tools. These tools came in a different box than this box for the glass, so you'll have to have a really small, really small screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna take off the screen for now and come back, revisit the aux port there. So I was able to get one screw up. Okay, cool. So this is there's an adhesive around the front of the tablet, so we basically have to cut it. I don't have a warming gun, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to do this on the fly here. Sucks. Legit gonna have to just break this off. There we go. And they say you should wear safety goggles. I just have my glasses on, but you want to have safety goggles on, guys. Don't do what I do. All right. There we go. You kind of see the adhesive. see the adhesive. It's all around. All right. I mean, screen removed, button right here. It's just one of those pressing buttons, so once we put this back on, I'll, that way, put it there, okay? You know what? I'm actually gonna put the screen on first. We'll go from there. Okay, it's got this, okay, self-adhesive thing, okay. I'm actually gonna put the screen on first. Like I said, I got a lot of dust. I got the screen on, I think it was Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. This thing, I'm not sure what it runs for now, but it used to be what, like $100? But I figured if you're able to fix it, then, you know, go that route instead of, you know, buying a whole new, you know, state-of-the-art tab. I mean, there's really no reason to if you can fix them yourself. Then again, not everyone can do that, but, you know, if you're a hobbyist like me, you like a challenge, so. Sorry about that. I had to run out and grab some Krazy Glue because I didn't realize that the screen I purchased didn't come with an adhesive. So I'll add it to the list to have Krazy Glue when trying to stick this thing back on. So while I pause the video, I also removed the auxiliary port that I was doing 2-in-1 to replace. So the screw is stripped, but what I ended up doing was, because I was able to get the other one off, I ended up yanking it off. And this appears to be attached to the auxiliary port. And then I yanked off the right side and I was able to unscrew the other side. Now it might be stripped, but I was able to get the old auxiliary input out, and that's what I really care about, so. Gonna add a little super glue on there. Okay, there's super glue. Get rid of my dust. Button. The auxiliary replacement that I said I was going to do. So I'll link where I got this in the bio. Cool. So this one's really easy. Just going to throw it in where the old one was. Just repeat what I did before. All right. Just legit just sits there. Okay, so these screws are tiny as hell. Gotta be the tiniest screws I've ever dealt with. And this is not the right. Okay, cool. Jesus. I might have to just put the screws on while this thing is out. Jeez. It takes some patience, guys. Okay, there goes one. The screw that might not work because it's stripped. Two. Okay. Just gonna place it on there. Just dropped it in there. All right, just gonna screw these guys in. And that little thing sticking out on the top is what connects the LCD screen, FYI. Cool, she's plugging in. Cool. one, let's do the other one. All right, it's going right in. Nice. So I'm not sure you guys caught this before. So what I did with the other one was I had to yank it out. I yanked the right one was off, so I yanked it off, and then the screw came undone. So I got pretty lucky. I was like, I'm not gonna get defeated by this. Cool. All right, I'm just gonna plug this guy in. There it is. Cool. All right, I'm gonna plug in the LCD screen. I wanna make sure you guys see that. Cool, you guys heard that snap in. This one's in there. Oh, this came undone. Make sure to push that in. Okay, whatever this is, this came undone, so I pushed it in. Cool. All right, everything is in. Cool, all right, so now I'm going to put in the battery. Just press it down. It's that easy. Okay, cool. There it is. So I'm gonna put the screws in. Yeah, so the battery plug-in, you just push it down. So if you're taking it out, you can just take it out by using like plastic pliers and just moving it up. Cool, all right, so that's a useful little tip there. So just to briefly mention again, 4 screws to take off the battery, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just pop that off. The battery will, yeah, plug in for the battery. Cool. All right, cool beans. So top is on. Sorry, there's a little bit of dust on my. So I did say I did do a hard reset. I'll post that in the link in the bio. Yeah, it's booting up nicely. It is a little loose from the sides, so you could theoretically put super glue on the sides